Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Part dos. So far, I've used my stick foundation to get my base face on, as well as some primer underneath. Next, I'm going to use my Skin Perfecting Concealer. Sorry, I feel like I'm way away from my camera right now. And my blending bud to do a little highlight action. I did about almost 26 hours of overtime in my other job last week, so these eyes are a little baggy and I could use a little extra help on the face brightening side. So I put my concealer in this nice little triangle right underneath my eyes, and I'm just using my blending bud to essentially press the product into my face, and it's just gonna make my eyes look so much more awake and so I'm just gonna look alive, because I don't look alive right now. Today I'm actually using the same color as my foundation because even though it's the same color in the Skin Perfecting Concealer, it's like a hair lighter. So I don't know if you noticed the difference already, but I definitely do. If I really wanted to highlight the heck out of my cheekbones, I could use this in 1 to 2 shades lighter, and then it would brighten up my face even more. I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought while I was explaining that. I'm gonna hit a little bit up in this V up here too, so maybe not put my hand in front of my face. Maybe that would be helpful. A little bit here, a little bit there. Just make me look a little bit more alive. So that is concealer to highlight your face. See you in part 3.